everyone, and welcome to Tips and Tricks Thursday. So today's not going to be a typical Tips and Tricks Thursday video. Not that we really have any typical Tips and Tricks videos, since that is the one day of the week where I have some trouble coming up with ideas. But today I'm not going to be giving you very many tips and tricks because as you can see, I'm not in my usual place. I'm not at home. I'm currently in my classroom, which is very exciting and a lot of fun. I'm all by myself in here, so what I thought I'd do is I'd give you a quick tour. My classroom is not set up the way that it usually looks during the school year, so you're gonna see a little bit of a mess, but I just wanted to sort of show everybody what my classroom is gonna look like once I welcome students back when we start hybrid learning. So I want you to see how the tables are set up, a little bit of the technology I'm gonna be using, and yeah, so this is gonna be a quick short video tour of my classroom, and I look forward to showing you guys around. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the view of the classroom from the doorway. Okay, so you can see there's some tables in here, one chair at each table, and they're pretty spaced out. I don't know why there's a monitor on that desk, but I'll figure it out at some point. Over here in this corner, you see my big old mess. The majority of these boxes that you see are full of books. I have over 1,000 books in my classroom library, and I cannot wait to get them unpacked and ready to go. But this is my big mess I'm not looking forward to cleaning soon. Okay, so continuing to go around, we've got an empty bulletin board back here, printer, and of course there's my wall of student names. Those are all my kids from last year. A bookshelf with some textbooks and stuff. And then coming back around, we see my teacher command center over here, that's what we're calling it. And then all of my empty bookshelves that I'll eventually be putting books in soon. So over here at the teacher command center, I have my second monitor here where I'll have all of my classes that are virtual, my Zoom classes will be showing up on that monitor there. Next to that, I have my alien looking camera. I'm not sure how this is gonna work yet, but I'm looking forward to playing around with it soon. And then of course, my laptop, my phone, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, so this is my view of the room from my workstation here. Hopefully these tables and chairs will be filled with students soon. And yeah. So yeah, that was a quick sneak peek at my classroom. It is not anywhere what it usually looks like during the school year. I usually have fun things on my bulletin boards. I have bookshelves full of books, not in boxes, but we're doing the best we can over here. And hopefully one of these days soon, I'll have students in here, they'll be able to read some books, and we'll be having a good time. But until then, we gotta keep being safe, wearing our masks, sanitizing everything, washing our hands, and just overall being safe. So that's all I got for you today. I will see you tomorrow for First Chapter Friday. Okay, bye. I'll see you then.